What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to give you a little short tour of our house, of our new house that we just moved into. So let's go check it out. Well, guys, as you can see, this is our new kitchen that Rheanna is in the process of trying to get things going. And this is a large kitchen, right?
Yeah, I have more space than I thought I did.
Yeah, so this is our kitchen. And then right here, we have our dining area. We're going to be eating.
Eventually.
Yeah, eventually. And then in this area, we have our huge living room.
Our house was just not working. Still being put together.
It's still being put together, as you can see. So we go down this hallway. Sorry for all the mess, guys. We're just still unpacking stuff. Straight ahead is our bathroom. This is another bedroom. It's our second bedroom that we're going to be putting our computer room in. We're doing our lives, hopefully. In this room, we have our bedroom. Let's give you a short clip of it. There for the best. And then we have a ensuite bedroom right here. Or bathroom, pardon me. Take you guys out this way. And then we go down the hall. Take you out to the main thing in a minute here. We'll go downstairs. Sorry about the mess, but oops. I'll take you guys in a second here. Got lights in this house still. Yep. Out here, go down the main entrance here. This is our main entrance. So we have a huge, room in here that we can let people come in and enjoy themselves. Closet area. Then we go down here, down to this area. This room right here we're not going into because it's being renovated as we speak. So we go into this area here. So we have a dry storage area. Wrong link. Dry storage area. We're still unpacking stuff here. In that corner there, where I'm pointing, there's a bathroom, but we're not going to go in there because we're not using it at all. Our back door. This is our laundry room, huge laundry room. And then in this area, we're going to be putting, this will be my sort of a man cave eventually. So we're going in there. So we're going to go upstairs here. Ugh. As you're following our dogs. We're going to take you to the deck area that we just, a massive deck area. Right?
What?
Our deck.
Yeah, it's a big deck.
So this is our deck, as you can see.
I think I loved it.
We're going outside there. This is our huge, massive deck that we're going to be enjoying here. We set up our table from the kitchen that we had in the old house. It's going out here. Down there is going to be a sitting area. This will be our cooking area. Eventually, we're going to put a table over here with an umbrella. We're going to put some other stuff in here. Solar lights and stuff like that. But that's about it. Right?
What?
That's about it.
Sure.
Well, guys, thanks for checking out our little house tour thing. We'll do another tour once we're all finished and ready set to go. We're still unpacking the house from our move. But anyways, thanks for hanging out with us. And we'll see you guys in the next video.